Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock fried shrimp sushi recipe in Heartopia new event. Okay, let's get into it guys. New event has been released in Heartopia. It's called No Bubbles Lost. You're going to go to the event menu and then you're going to select the No Bubble Lost and click on Go Purchase here, and you'll be able to purchase the fried shrimp sushi recipe, and it costs 10 diving valve. Okay, and you need to own this currency. If you want to own it, you just need to do the ocean cleanup hobby, go to the Wolfall Canyon, do the ocean cleanup, and then you'll be able to collect the diving valve. Okay, once you have 10 diving valves, you can purchase the fried shrimp sushi, and I've already purchased the recipe. And don't forget to learn the recipe before you use it. Go to your stove and then you'll see the recipe right here. Okay, and then you need patty and cooking oil and oriental shrimp, and I'm gonna replace this shrimp with the universal ingredient because I don't have it. Okay, and I'm going to start cooking. Hold on. Okay, done for the meal, and I'm going to open it. Okay, I've just made the fried shrimp sushi. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the fried shrimp sushi recipe in Harttopia No Bubbles event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!